So welcome back to Outdoors with the Morgans. I'm not sure how this morning is going to play out. We have a bunch of rain coming in a couple hours, and I have a lot to do before that happens. I just had the last load of stone delivered for the new road. I'm not sure if I'm going to get to that before it rains or not, because first off, I got to run down to the sawmill and make some 4x4s. I have a customer coming in just a couple hours. So we're going to head down there, take care of that, and if it doesn't rain before that, we'll fire up the skid loader, start loading some of this stone up in the dump trailer, and run some loads out on the road. We'll just have to see how it goes. Well, I think the road work is going to be canceled for today. It's already starting to rain, thunder off in the distance, but I did manage to get 4 4x4s. These are 12 footers. The customer wants 6 footers, so I'll cut these in half. And there's not much money in this at all. I just charge $1 a board foot, so each 6-foot 4x4 is $8. All right, so $64 for those 4. Now it took me, I don't know, by the time I got the log out, got it on the mill, somewhere between a half hour, 45 minutes, $64. Not exactly going to get rich on it, but a little bit of cash money in the pocket. You know what I'm saying? All right, I got all those 4x4s cut to length. It quit raining as quick as it started, so I don't know, I may be all right. We'll just have to see. right, I got the rest of the stone brought out here. I may need just a little bit more, but I got done just in the nick of time. It's starting to rain right now. Like I said, I can get out here in the rain. I just didn't want to turn around in the field out there and drag mud onto the new stone. That would be just barbaric. I'll tell you what, those were heavy loads. I didn't realize how much I was putting on the dump trailer, but that triaxle load was right at 23 tons, and I hauled 3 loads out, right? Yeah, 3 loads out so far. And I'm guessing there might be 4 ton left, if that. So probably 6 tons in the dump trailer. I would never, you know, do that down the highway, but just heading out here, handled it no trouble at all, and it dumped it just fine. So it's not going to hurt me if it continues to rain. It'll actually help me when it comes time to rolling all this. It'll really compact well once it gets a little bit wet. I'm going to take the truck and trailer out here. We'll park it. I'll take the skid loader back there, straighten up what I just did. I'll take a bucket of stone with me, but yeah, just in the nick of time. Just perfect. Yeah, so if there was about 23 tons there, yeah, there's probably at least 5 left. That would put it at 18 and 6 tons per load. I'm going to straighten up this area right here, and then we'll take a bucket out there on the road and start getting that on grade. All right, I made it almost to the end. That's good enough for now. Got everything real close to grade. Next up, I will hit it with the land plane, coming backwards with it, and just kind of lightly skim it. And at that point, it will be ready for the roller. What I just did took some time because when you dump it with the dump trailer, you kind of got to get everything out to the edges and carry the grade you want all the way out. And you just have to kind of take it easy, because you don't want to dig down a little bit and pull up that base rock. It'd just be a big mess. But I'm really happy with how this is turning out. There's not one soft spot in here, you know, from the house all the way back. And I know that just from running back and forth on it so much. And like with that dump trailer, it's got those skinny tires on it. And there's a lot of weight on that thing. If there are any soft spots, they would have showed up for sure. But so far, no big downpours. Just a nice little gentle rain, which is actually helping me out. I'm gonna head over to the house, see what's going on there. And then when I come back out, land plane, then roller.
right, there is not too much that's perfect in the world, but that is as close as it gets. Really, really nice and smooth. Ready to hit it with a roller, and we'll put up the speed limit signs.
I'm calling it done. We didn't get much rain at all today. Just a few light showers. If we do get some more rain, I'll come out here and roll it again. But I'll give you a look here from here back, you know, almost to the house. But yeah, pretty happy the way it turned out. Like I always say, I don't care what anybody else does, but if you are building a driveway like I just did, I would highly suggest renting a roller, because that makes all the difference in the world. Now, this is the best that this road is ever going to look. It's a stone driveway, you know what I mean? It's going to require maintenance, but as of now, it's really good and solid. I've got a really good base, and I've got good drainage on it. So maintenance will be pretty minimal for a long time. But yeah, turned out good. I appreciate y'all being here, and I will catch you on the next one.